In this video, I'll show you how to show Windows most used apps. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. If for any reasons you love to show your Windows most used applications, this is what we're going to do right now. Click on this, right? Click on the settings. Once I've clicked on the settings, wait for it to load up. Once it has opened up, this is the system, right? This is the power and battery, right? Click on it. Now, for you to be able to see your Windows most used applications, you're going to scroll down gradually, right? Wait for this to load up. You're going to click on this battery usage. Look right here. Battery usage per app, right? So, from here, you're going to see your Windows most used application. So, I think in the last 24 hours, my most used application is the settings, right? The settings app. So, if I change this to the last 7 days, I'm going to be able to see the application that has been used on my Windows the most, right? So you can see it's Google Chrome with 71%. That is, I think, in use for 36 minutes, right? So this is it. This is how you can, so right here you can see 27 apps found, right? So this is how you can show your Windows most used apps. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you on the very next one.